How to add video animation effects. For example, you want your video to start off with something as simple as this here. And this is with the inShot video editor app. Make sure you have the latest update as it is now 2026 at the time of this video here. And let's get started. In order to have something like this here, of your video starting like this here, let's say you are working with one video and you want to first make sure you go and tap on that video that you're working with. Then browse over and you're going to look for the one that says animation, this one right here. Okay, so you'll tap on it and you can simply just choose the one that you want that's right for your video. And every time you make a selection, whether it's this one here, you'll see them show up here as a way of how it's going to look based on a selection that you have chosen. Okay, and whichever one you go with is the one that's going to appear. Now you'll notice they can be playing a little bit too fast for you, so what you can do is adjust the speed of it. This increases how slow it's going to play based on the seconds, and you'll notice the green area here means how long that animation is going to play within that video time frame. Okay, so the longer it is, the less fast it's going to play, or it's going to play slower, I should say. All right, now once you've made your selection, you can do this for the out as well. So your video is going to have an exit in terms of how it's going to play out, right? So you have your out and your in. Okay, so once you do this here, it's going to finish playing the video something like this here. If you want to add your video animation to the end, and that's how it's going to go about doing that. Okay, and once you've done this here, you should have something that starts your video like this here based on what you select and the speed. And then when you reach the end of your video, you should have something that will look like this here, right? And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.